Hello students, how are you all? I hope that you are all fine and safe at home. I am Satyamurthy from Bharathidhasanar Matric Secondary School, Arakkonam. I am very happy to meet you in this video session. Today I am going to start 11th mathematics, that is set, relation and functions. In this chapter, today we are going to discuss about set. So what is set? Set is collection of well-defined object. Well-defined means that is particular kind are clearly identified based on its shapes, colors, size, such as pack of cards, crowd of people, a cricket team. In the mathematics, prime numbers, natural numbers, rational numbers, and so on. Listen. Theory of set was developed by German mathematician George Cantor. He first encountered the sets while he was working on problems on trigonometric series. Apart from the mathematical usage, we are using the set in our daily life. Let's take some life-oriented example of the set. First one is our kitchen. Our kitchen is most relevant example of the set. Our mother keep very clean and well arranged. Listen, now you can see plates are separated from the bowls and cups. So set of plates. So plate is the best example of set. Second one, school bag of children. Usually there are some divisions are in the school bag. Listen, here 1, 2, 3, 4 divisions are there. In the first division, we can keep the only textbook. In the second division, we can keep notebooks. In the third division, we can keep another stationary things. In the fourth division, we can keep the water bottle. So this is also one of the best example of the set. Listen, shopping mall. When we go to the shopping mall, we can notice that there are separate portions for different kind of things. Universe. We know that in the universe there are millions of galaxies in the world. So they are separated from each other by their distance. Rule. All the schools, companies have the different set of rules which is followed by their students and employees. Listen, so all the companies have different set of rules which is followed by the students and the employees. So like timing rule, discipline rule, hostel rule and so on. Sets represented in two ways. First one is roster form or tabular form. That is nothing but that is listing all the elements of the set. Listen, listing all the actual elements of the set. Second one is set builder form. That is set builder form is nothing but that is description form. Describe all the elements of the set. So they are asking write in the statement form. So that is called set builder form. Exercise number 1.1, question number 1. So write the following in roster form. Roster form already you know that is roster form or tabular form. They are given 4 subdivision. In the first subdivision, a set of x belongs to n. So in this set we are going to write the natural numbers. That natural numbers square value is less than to 121. And that x value should be the prime number. Do you understand? The first subdivision they are asking the set to write in the roster form. First subdivision x belongs to n. So all the value of x should be the natural numbers. At the same time square of that natural number less than to 121. And that value of x should be a prime number. Listen. So I am going to check only the prime numbers in the first subdivision. Listen. The solution, first subdivision, let given set I have considered as A. Set of x belongs to n such that x square less than to 121 and x is a prime number. X is a prime number. Listen, yes, this is very simple. x is a prime. Now I'm going to check the numbers. So first, what is x is the natural number. So I'm going to take the value of x from the natural numbers. That natural number should be the prime. So first prime number in the natural numbers, what is that? First prime number is, that is even prime number, that is 2. Listen, I'm going to consider that. So first prime number is 2. 2 square is what? That is x square. 2 square is 4. 4 is less than to 121. Do you understand? So 2 is possible value of this set. Listen, next prime number is 3. 3 square is what? Square of x is what? 3 square is 9. That is less than to 121. So 3 also possible value of x. Next prime number is 5. 5 square is what? That is 25. 25 is less than to 121. So this is 5 possible value. Next to 5 is 7. 7 is the prime number. So 7 square is what? 49. That is less than to 121. 7 also possible value. Next prime number is 11. 11 square is 121. That is equal to 121. They are asking less than to 121. So 11 is not possible. So here 2, 3, 5, 7 are the value of x in the set A. This is required answer. The second subdivision, listen, very simple. Let given set consider as A, the given set of all positive roots of the equation. The given x minus 1 into x plus 1 into x square minus 1, this is equal to 0. The second subdivision, let set A, this is equal to set of all the positive roots of the equation. Given equation, what they given? That is x minus 1 into x plus 1 and x square minus 1, this is equal to 0. Listen, yes, roots mean that is value of x, positive value of x, that is they are asking. Positive roots of the equation, x minus 1, x plus 1, x square minus 1 equal to 0. Listen, they given the equation in factor form. So first factor of the equation is x minus 1. Second factor is x plus 1. Third factor is x square minus 1. Listen, from this I am going to consider the first factor. What is first factor? X minus 1 equal to 1. From this, x minus 1 equal to 0. Listen, first factor x minus 1 equal to 0. I am going to compare the opposite side. Listen, x minus 1 equal to 0. If you take this minus 1 into right hand side, minus 1 will change as plus 1. So therefore value of x equal to plus 1. The second factor is there, that is x plus 1 equal to 0. If you take this plus 1 into right side, it will change as minus 1. Do you understand? So therefore x equal to minus 1. And the next step, x square minus 1 equal to 0. This is the last third factor, x square minus 1 equal to 0. If you take this minus 1 into right hand side, x square equal to plus 1. Here x square is there, so I want to cancel that. So I am going to take square root on both sides. If you take square root, this square will cancel. Listen, x equal to plus or minus 1. Plus or minus 1. Do you understand? Yes, plus or minus 1. From this, they are asking positive roots. It means positive value of this equation. So we have find the value of x. First one is plus 1. Second one is minus 1. Third one is plus or minus 1. In this term, plus 1 and minus 1 is there. Do you understand? So in this value of x, what is the positive value? There is only two values. One is plus 1, another one is minus 1. What is positive? So plus 1 is the positive value. That is required value of this set. Therefore, set A equal to positive value they are asking, plus 1 is this answer. In the third subdivision, listen to yes. In the third subdivision, let A equal to, already given in the third subdivision, x belongs to n such that 4x plus 9 less than to 52. Listen to yes. 4x plus 9 less than to 52. Then I am going to find the value of x from the given equation. I am going to use this equation. Listen. First solve this to find value of x, because x value is this, set A. 4x plus 9 less than to 52. Listen, very simple. So plus 9 take right hand side. 4x less than to 52 minus 9. So 52 minus 9 is what? 4x less than to 52 minus 9, that is 43. So x less than 2, this 4 into x. So this 4 I want to take into right side. This is in multiplication. So multiplication to division. So 4x by 4. 4 how many times in 43? Sorry, this is 43 by x. 4 how many times in 43? That is 10 times. 10 4s are 40. Remaining 3 is there. In 30, keep point. In 30 how many times 4 will come? 7 4s are 28. So 7. So 10.7 approximately. This is value of x value should be less than to 10.7. Listen, less than to 10.7 means up to 10, because natural numbers they are asking. So 11 is not possible because that is greater than 10.7. So only natural numbers I am going to write. Set A equal to, in the set, first natural number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11 is not possible, so up to 10 is the possible value of this set. Listen, so next fourth subdivision is there. In the fourth subdivision they have given, given set let us consider as A equal to x such that x minus 4 by x plus 2 equal to 3. Listen, yes, in 3, x belongs to R except minus 2. Listen, x value are in real numbers except minus 2. Why they said except minus 2? If you take minus 2, if you give to the value of x, minus 2 plus 2, in the denominator it will change as 0. If you get 0 in the denominator, that is not defined, infinity. So you should not consider the minus 2 to the value of x. Listen, from the given equation, I am going to solve and find the value of x. Listen, very simple. Given condition is what? X minus 4 by x plus 2 equal to 3. Now very simple, take cross multiplication, that is x minus 4 equal to 3 into x plus 2. From this 3 multiply within the bracket with the two elements. So 3 into x, 3x into 3 2s are 6 plus 6. So x minus 4. Listen to yes. So plus the 3x is there. If you want to take this plus 3 into left hand side, it will change as minus 3x. So minus 3x plus x. In the left hand side minus 4 is there. If you want to take this minus 4 into right hand side, it will change as plus 4. Already 6 plus 6 in the right hand side. Listen, plus 6. If you want to this minus 4 taken right side, it will change as plus 4. Listen, so minus 3x plus x, that is minus 2x equal to 6 plus 4, that is 10. This minus 2 multiply with the x. If you want to this minus 2 taken right hand side, multiply to division. Don't forget this. So x equal to minus 10 by 2. So 2 how many times in 5? How many times cancel with 5? Sorry, 10. 2 how many times cancel with 10? That is 5 times, because 5 2s are 10. So therefore value of x equal to minus 5. So set A is what? That is value of x they are asking. I am going to write that. Therefore required set A equal to minus 5 is the answer. Do you understand? That's it. Question number 2. Write the set of minus 1, plus 1 in set builder form. We need to write in the description form, that is set builder form. Listen, very simple. In the solution, listen, in the solutions, let set A equal to minus 1 plus 1. So I am going to write in the description form, that is called builder form. The description means in the statement method. Listen, x, value of x says that roots of the equation that is x square minus 1 equal to 0. So this is the description form with condition value of x from the given equation. Listen, very simple. If you find this, x square minus 1 equal to 0. Listen, if you want to take this minus 1 into right hand side, it will change as x square equal to plus 1. So I want to cancel this square value. Take square root on both sides. So x equal to plus or minus 1. So plus or minus 1 is the value of the given set. So I am going to say I have written in the form of statement form. Listen, x such that roots of the equation x square minus 1 equal to 0. If you solve that equation, you will get plus 1 and minus 1. This is the correct answer. Okay, listen. Question number 3. State whether the following sets are finite or infinite. So finite means that is countable. Infinite means uncountable. So I am going to find that they are given 5 subdivision. In the first subdivision they are given x belongs to n. X is an even prime numbers. So how many prime numbers are there? There is only one prime number, that is 2. Listen, from the set A, so for first subdivision in the solution, let considers given set A equal to x belongs to n natural numbers. So x is an even prime number. Listen to yes, even prime numbers. So there are only one prime number, that is 2. This is only one number. It is finite because this is countable, only one. So it is finite set. Our set A is finite. It is finite set. Next, second subdivision. The second subdivision given set let A equal to, they given x belongs to n, x is an odd numbers. X is an odd numbers. Listen, x belongs to n natural numbers. X is an odd numbers. Listen to yes, odd numbers this set. From this, so odd numbers, uncountable numbers there are from 1 to everything. Listen, 1, 3, 5, 7, it is going on, uncountable numbers up to infinity. So this is a infinite set. So it is infinite set. Infinite set. The third subdivision, they given x belongs to n, x is even and less than to 10. Listen, the third subdivision they given very simple. Listen, x belongs to n such that, so let A equal to set x belongs to n such that x is even and less than 10. Less than 10. Listen to yes, even number, it should be less than to 10. That numbers are the natural numbers. So less than 10 even numbers. What are the even numbers less than to 10? That is 2, 4, 6, 8. 10 is not less than 2, 10. That is equal to 10. So this is required answer. It is finite because how many elements are there? Only 4 elements. So it is finite set. It is finite set. Listen, in the fourth subdivision, what they given? In the fourth subdivision, x belongs to R, let given set consider as A, x belongs to R. So, real numbers such that x is a rational number. X is a rational numbers. So, there are uncountable numbers are there, rational numbers, because it is going 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 5, 1 by 6. These are the uncountable numbers. Listen. So, rational number they set 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4. It is going. So, there are uncountable numbers are there. So, it is infinite set. It is infinite set. Fifth subdivision, let A, the given x belongs to n set, x belongs to n, the x values of the natural numbers, then x is a rational number. X is a rational numbers. Listen to yes, very simple. For example, so 1 by 1 is the rational numbers. 2 by 1 also rational number. 3 by 1 also rational numbers. Listen, 1 by 1 is 1, 2 by 1 is 2, 3 by 1 is 3. That is natural numbers. They said x belongs to n. Your value of x should be the natural numbers, but at the same time it is rational numbers. That's why I have written 1 by 1, 2 by 1, 3 by 1. It is going on. So there are infinite, uncountable number of elements are there. So it is infinite set. It is an infinite set. That's it. Dear students, below this video we have given study material, YouTube link, question bank, self-assessment question paper in the description. You have to write the sums in the separate note and write the self-assessment test. Thank you.
ஆசிரியராகிய நான் காலத்தை மனமே உணர்ந்து உணர்வுடன் செய்வன திருந்து செய்து சிறந்த ஆசிரியராக திகழ்வேன். அகம் மற்றும் புறத்தூய்மை கடைபிடித்து உடல் மண்டலம் பேணி அன்றாட வேலையில்